we had quite the busy weekend yesterday with the severe storms, and even Saturday we had a severe thunderstorm warning as well. Now we had rain, 3 different forms. Saturday's rain was from a sea breeze convergence that really sparked up showers and storms inland. Yesterday's rain, what we saw was from energy in the upper levels that really was triggered by the daytime heat, and today's rain finally was associated with a cold front. But here's the bonus: we did see some much needed rain across South Florida and the Treasure Coast, up to 3 inches for some neighborhoods. So that's looking good considering we are still in some drought-like conditions. There's a look at the radar 1-hour time lapse finally drying up there along the Treasure Coast. So Tequesta, light shower over you, will be exiting shortly, but I think this is it for the rain for today. We should actually see drier and much better conditions all throughout the rest of your Monday. Right now, cloudy skies still. It looks like we still have a few shelf clouds and that shower well off into the distance. But as I mentioned, we are going to see much better conditions when the front is continuing to advance to the south. We're going to see those clouds break apart and dry, cooler air will start to work its way in. But at the moment, 75 degrees, northwest wind, 9 miles per hour. Dew point still rather high. The cool air hasn't filtered in just yet, but you will notice a difference later on this evening. So right around 4 o'clock, that's going to be the warmest part of the day. Temperatures in the low 80s into the 70s under a mostly clear sky. And also with those conditions, that's going to help temperatures for our inland communities cool off rather quickly. So here's a look at the water vapor, mid to upper levels of the atmosphere. All that moisture with the cold front to our south. Nice, dry, pleasant air working its way in, all associated with high pressure. And that's going to set us up for a beautiful day on Tuesday with a sinking air. It's going to give us a lot of sunshine. It's going to keep us dry and quiet. We're going to start off with that north wind. Eventually later on this week, a more easterly wind, which is going to help us warm up. So that's why Monday we're going to still see the low 80s for today. By Tuesday, mid 80s. Wednesday, Thursday, we're going to see some hotter conditions when we start to see a more southeast wind with high pressure breaking apart, but well above average over the next few days. Take a look at our temperatures overnight. Because of the mostly clear sky, radiational cooling will take effect. So that's going to really help our inland communities drop to the low 50s. A little bit of a cool start there for you over in Okeechobee. For Indiantown, 57. Belle Glade, a cool 56 degrees by the time you wake up, and then mid to upper 60s along our coastal community still. But overall, it's going to be a nice night for tonight. Even tomorrow's looking great. So we're going to see temperatures on your Tuesday bouncing into the mid 80s. A lot of sunshine in the forecast. Sunshine for your Wednesday. Thursday, we'll see an approaching front, and what's going to happen with this front is it's going to be hot for the next couple of days. But notice rain chances at around 20 Friday all the way through next weekend, as we could see this frontal boundary stalling out. So that's going to keep temperatures well above average. That's a look at your first morning forecast.